But anyhow, mana o te wai, it has been around since day dot. So mana being authority, esteem, it comes from, for us as Māori, it comes from the atua. So everything, or the supreme being, or as time and creation, and the mana or the prestige of that creation is in everything, including the water. So water has mana, and it's up to us as a group of people, as a community, as iwi, to find out what the values and the objectives that we need to set around our water, and how we want to use it, and the values that we place on it.
It takes time, it takes a lot of money, it takes a lot of effort from guys like Ian as managers and landowners. And this little creek right here that's going through this and going right up the flats, and you can see it's double fenced, it's going through and under the road down to the Upakaroa River. I'm doing a project with these neighbours next year. You can't see it from here, it's on the next property down on the flats. It's a very high value eel fishery, and it's all part and it's all connected. So we're now at the stage where we are achieving total catchment, end-to-end protection.
We should work together to understand the values of our areas, which we're all doing. Decisions should be made by putting the health and well-being of the water at the forefront of discussions. So that's a really interesting one. That you look, when you're having discussions, you always think about what would the water want, not exactly what the humans want. But at the end of the day, you've got to try and figure out, would the water be happy?